Welcome to my fish room.
Dylan. What's that?
Might be what they call the red-foot tooth snails. They look cool. Apparently they don't need water. Oh, that's why they call them tooth. See that? So they have to wrap them in the plastic, in the paper so they don't puncture the bag.
Gold coral banded?
Yeah.
More snails. I don't know what they are.
These are knee rights. No, I want to get this box out of here. Let me do this box.
Okay, I'm putting the lid back on this one now.
Black Angel and Tobacco Bass.
That's all this in that box?
That's all that's in this box.
A black angel.
Yeah, you know what they call a black angel? What we call a gray angel. I think they just figure black sounds better. Good thing I got you to wash all of these, son.
Well, that was one that you left living in the shark tank for a while.
What?
You left it in the shark tank.
The bucket?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yes! Why else would I bring it up if it wasn't the bucket?
Well, I still don't understand what you mean living in the shark tank.
You left that jug in the shark tank. That's why it's dirty.
And you couldn't wash it because it was in the shark tank and you were scared?
Yeah.
You get scared a lot, son?
Mm-hmm.
You like to use a big bag. That's a gray angel. It ain't black.
Is there anything that's a black angel?
The French angel is actually black in color, but it's called the French angel. It's not called a black angel. There's a black midnight knot angel. Well, not very big. They're cute. Tobacco bass is a fairly pretty fish. Easy to deal with. Not moody. Multiples in a tank. What more could you ask for? Free pop.
Huh?
Well, what more could you ask for? And I said free pop. turn it upside down, I don't see nothing. So you know what I'm guessing?
Nothing?
Huh? That wasn't what I was guessing. There's nothing.
Nothing in the bag.
There's nothing in the bag.
Okay, well clearly there's nothing in
No.
the bag, so go on to the next one.
Well, there has to be something in the bag. Harlequin bats. Yeah, and we don't have room for anything more. And we've got to have a space to put them. Clean fish. So that's what I thought was in that other bag. Lawnmower Blenny. That's what they call an assorted Blenny. Belted sand. This is either called a belted basslet or a mouse fish. They're also called belted sandfish. Cherub fish. Chalk bass. Okay, there's my little queen. It's a queen angel. You know how you tell the difference between a blue angel and a queen angel?
No.
A blue angel has yellow there above the tail and below the tail at the edge, and a queen has blue. That is a red-lipped blenny. Eats hair algae too. Pugnacious little guy though, too. He'll defend his area vigorously. Lantern bass. So the assorted blennies were 2 lawnmower blennies and a red lip blenny.
And there's another bag on the table that you didn't open.
Another lantern bass.
And we're halfway through.